Hello everyone. Today's session is for grade 3. The topic is paint, drawing. Okay. So for drawing, you have to open this software that is on your system. Okay. That is MS packages. Okay. It's called MS Microsoft package. So this software have already built in your system. So this built-in software, we are going to make drawing. Okay, so what the image you are thinking yourself, you can draw on that panel or window. Okay, so these are the tools. Okay, here these are the icons for file. You can save, open, okay, and print, and then you can make as a wallpaper. So these are the options are available in file icon. And then next one is edit. You can cut, copy, paste, or redo, undo. And then view icon, you can see toolbox, color box, status bar, everything. And then you can zoom this window for pixels wise. Okay, and then image, you can insert, rotate, everything. These options are available in this image icon. And colors icon, you can edit, get, and save the colors. Next one is help icon. For if you have any doubts about this software, you can just click on this help icon. Okay, next this is for your painting window. Now I'm going to draw some picture for your understanding. Okay, so first I take this pencil tool for drawing. Okay, what can I draw? Let's imagine. Okay, I'm going to draw some flower. So it should be connected each edges. Okay, so if any gaps in this edges, I can't fill this color. So next one, this rectangle shape for particular selection. Okay, so this is the usage of this rectangular selection tool. And if you touch this star selection tool, means you can select, okay, unstructured, that means unsequential pictures. Okay, so what without scale, you can select this image, means you can choose this star selection tool. And next one is I'm going to take this scattering color. Okay, so now I'm going to choose this scattered color. Okay, so here this is all the color panel. So what are the colors I like, I can. Now I am going to choose this color. For example, pink color I select. So scatter means this is one pattern of this coloring. Okay, sorry, so I choose an yellow color, so it came and it shows like yellow color. Okay, so if you need more thickness or consistency or color, means you can choose another maroon color. So now we can see this difference. Yes, just you touch this mouse, drag and drop, that's it. And if you choose this paint color, okay, for example light colors I'm going to choose. Yes, okay, so this is the usage of this paint. Okay, so paint bucket, you can see this two styles of colors. If you need full color, means you can choose this paint bucket. Okay, so if you need light colors for a particular specific space only, I should coloring, means you should choose this scattering color. Okay, and then you can type the text for choose this a icon and then type. Okay, here you can type hello, welcome. Okay, because I made this picture here. Okay, so that my picture has hiding. So now I want to remove this picture, means again you should click this back button, that is undo button. Okay, yes, you go to edit option and then click undo button. So now here again we should type the text in a right manner. Again should click this A. Here you can type, or yeah, yes, now you can see. If you want to change this color, first of all we should select and then we can change this color. Okay, so if you want to draw any symbols here, you can draw this color. Again you can choose this and you can make this symbol, you can make this symbol, and here you can draw this shape. I'm going to change this color. Yeah, now we can see this differences of this tools usage. If you want to make a line, you can make any lines. Okay, and then this is one of the color. If you want to pick some color, means you can pick this colors and then you can fill it here. So these are the tools usage where can I use this painting software. Okay, and then another option is you are going to save your file. Okay, so now I'm going to save my file. Go to file option and then click save option. Okay, so now you can click this option. Okay, so you can save as your name, whatever the name you are like you can give, but it should be according to your file. Okay, so what are the project you are creating, you should give like that name only. Okay, so that extension should be saved as your document type. Okay, so these are the usage of this painting software and drawing tool. Okay, so next session we can see another topic. Thank you so much. Bye from Jenny.